lot of people have this concept that I don't wear my products. Like this guy, he met me on the mall for Christmas time and he was like, Cardalia, how come you don't have on lip gloss? You must promote your brand. And I just stood there like, are you for real? Are you for real? I promote my brand every single day in school, at home. You always see me applying lip gloss. So I'm just like, you saw me with all lip gloss once and you think that I don't promote my brand. You are crazy. Anyway, besides that, hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Confident Lips. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more detailed videos. Okay, so this video is going to be made up into 3 parts. Part 1 would be me attempting to make the hamper. Note well, I really don't know how to make a hamper. It's gonna be my first time making a hamper. And part 2 would be me displaying all the other Valentine's Day goodies that I am offering. And part 3 would be me displaying, oh my god, my cheekbones look so cute. Okay, me displaying some of the shades that would be available for Carnival time. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so before I even get into the wrapping, I think that I should apologize for saying that the video is going to be done into 3 parts when it's actually going to be done into 4 parts. Part 4 would be me telling you guys about a giveaway. Not a giveaway that I'm having, but if you stay tuned, you'll find out exactly what I mean. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with what am I going to call this? Hamper wrapper, right? Yeah. And it has some cute little hearts in it. And I think that the first thing that should go into this would be the pillow. This pillow was created by Creativity for You. I will leave the link to her Instagram down below, because remember, it's a collab. So she made the pillow, and just, what is this? Oh, okay, this is just piece of the string. So we're gonna put in this first. So this is how it's looking so far. And then we're going to add the mini teddy bear to it. I think that I'll put it at this side, like somewhere right here, so that it could be displayed also. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. And she did give me a candy cane to put in it, but right now I'm not even seeing a candy cane. So I would just pause this video, get the candy cane real quick, and just continue rolling. Okay, so I just found the candy cane that she gave me to put in. It's red and white, you know, Valentine's Day themed. So I just add this to this side. I want to make sure that the candy cane is showing through. Remember, this is my first time ever doing a hamper, so it might not come out looking all professional and stuff, but at least I tried. So this is it so far. The candy cane blocking the teddy bear eyes. Wow. Okay, I think this is more like it. Something like this. Something like this. Where you can see the candy cane and the teddy bear. And then last but not least, we're going to add the glosses. And how I wanted to do it was in a way that they would be all together, you know, not one this part in the bag and the other one another part. I wanted them to be all together, like in a stack, all together like this. So this is going to be a little difficult for me to do. So just give me about a couple minutes to try to figure this out. Wow. Okay. I think that I'll use this piece of this to tie around the glosses. I know this part is going to be a little difficult, but I am going to try. You always have to try to do these things, you know? So right now I'm trying to tie them with one hand because I have nobody here to assist me. So this is how it's coming. Oh, okay. So I got one tie. Now I'm going to try to tie it again. Okay. I'm just trying to tie it again. So it'll be down here. I'm just trying to tie it again. Okay, so I got two ties in, and I'm going to try to tie it one last time, just for security reasons. Okay, so this is the end result. Right there. So I want the candy cane to show, the glosses to show, and the teddy bear to show. So this is what I have so far. And I'm just going to use a piece of the same thing I used to wrap these with. So I use this to the top. And I don't have any on the bed right now, so I'll have to pause the video once more and go on there. So I got some white this time because I did buy white and red. So let me just set this here one last time. And I'm just going to tie it. I tied it about 3 times. And I have no scissors in my room at the moment to curl the ends. So I would curl the ends off camera at a different time. So I'm just showing you like how I did the hamper. So this is the hamper that I made. This is the hamper right here. The pillow that marks I love you and the specific name below. The candy cane, the lip glosses, and this video. I don't think that I did so bad, you know? It's not that bad. So this is the hamper. And let me just adjust real quick. What else do I have to offer? I didn't just do the Valentine's Day hamper with the other individual, but I did some separate Valentine's Day packages like these. Like a small cute bag and this teddy bear. This is one thing that I'll be offering. And the first Valentine's Day package that I had included 3 mini lip glosses, a teddy bear, a mini teddy bear, and some hair clips. Let me show you the hair clips. Just open the bag and show you guys the hair clips real quick. These were the hair clips, you know. Yeah, so this was in this hamper, not this hamper, this little Valentine's Day package. So I'll just put this in and put it at the side. So I showed you guys 1 and 2. And the third one would be this teddy bear and this little token. I love this because you see the shine. Watch. So it comes with one of these and a teddy bear. So these 2. Last but not least, I'll be going on to number 3 on the list. Number 3 on the list is probably what most of you guys came here for. And I would be displaying the I was about to say Christmas themed glosses. I don't know why, but I'll be displaying the Carnival, the little surprise thingy that I'm having for Carnival. So we have 3 shades. I don't want to show it so quick. Shade number 1, shade number 2, and shade number 3. Let's go with shade number 3 first. I would definitely be displaying them. I'll be wearing them just for you to get an idea of how it would be looking. So this is number 3 right here. So let me just wear it real quick. This is number 3. Let me just take this off. We're going to number 2. Number 2. And last but not least, I think that this number 1 is my favorite. It's a kind of rose gold color, just like number 2, but it looks much cuter in my opinion. So this is number 3. This is number 2. Oh my god, this is number 1. You know, when I want to step out for Carnival, you know, I have to step out hot. So this is number 1. This is number 2. And this is number 3. So these are the 3 shades that would be available for purchase. If you have me on Instagram and you would like to purchase one of these, just DM me the number real quick, because remember, it's only 3 shades, 1 of each. So you'll just DM me the number that you want and I would secure it for you. Okay, on to number 4 on the list. I'll be doing a giveaway with somebody. I'll be supplying her with 5. Not 5. What am I doing? I'm just making always some mistakes in this video. Like, why? I'll be supplying her with 2 sets of the mini lip glosses. Remember, 1 set entails 5 glosses. So in all, I'll be supplying her with 10 mini lip glosses and 2 pair of eyelashes. And to enter her giveaway, I will just leave the link to her YouTube channel down below. So just go and you'll do everything that you would do on my video, you know, like, share, comment, and subscribe and all of that. So that is the end of my video. Don't forget to go and enter her giveaway. All I don't want to miss it out. But bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I made a lot of mistakes because I am human, and some I would not be taken out for specific reasons. I like people to know that it's okay. It's definitely okay to make mistakes. I am not this big YouTuber who edits her videos nice and just eliminates every error. No, we all do make mistakes. With that note, bye.